Hello guys, so the name you read is Smug. S-M-U-G, Smug. Smug means having or showing an excessive pride in oneself or one's achievement. Having or showing an excessive pride in oneself or one's achievement. So what are the synonyms for the word smug? There are self-satisfied, complacent, self-satisfied, complacent, self-congratulatory, self-congratulatory, pleased with oneself, pleased with oneself. Let's have a look at a few antonyms for the word smug. There are egoless, egoless, humble, humble, modest, modest, uncomplacent, uncomplacent. So let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. The detective had a smug smile on his face when he arrested the killer and he had been cheating for 10 years. The detective had a smug smile on his face when he arrested the killer. He has been cheating for 10 years. Number 2. She was very smug and self-satisfied about getting the promotion. She was very smug and self-satisfied about getting the promotion. Number 3. I feel very smug about not wasting paper. I felt very smug about not wasting paper. Number 4. She deserved her promotion, but I wish she wasn't so damn smug about it. She deserved her promotion, but I wish she wasn't so damn smug about it. Number 5. What are you looking so smug about? What are you looking so smug about?